We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. Nice big front fairing and windshield. It's got the heel toe shifter, locking saddlebags, locking top case, rack for more luggage. It has the Milwaukee 107 and the Vans & Hines exhaust. It's fob, so it's keyless. Has a navigation system, speakers on the passenger backrest as well. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.